Stuart Flange. You might remember me, I'm the head purser of British Airways. That's the world's hairiest airline. And I'm here to introduce you and to get you in the mood for checking in for the big weekend here at Manchester Pride. So if you'll come a little bit closer, I want to see you a little bit better. That's wonderful. Now, first of all, if any of you have any overly large packages, if you can leave them out and I can stow them in the rear. Thank you very much. Okay, first of all, we're going to bring to the stage the absolutely wonderful bear explosion. Now, these boys are going to be huge if they don't stop eating all the pies out the back. So, please put your hands together for bear explosion.
You must have got the master.
Hey, Manchester!
Andrew! Yeah.
Here we are, full of surprises. Take a peek at our show. Singing songs, wearing disguises, bringing smiles that will grow. It's time for you to let yourself go. It's time for you to get to know the voice of bear explosion. And you hear that sound? It's a bear explosion around this town. There is nothing to fear. We're just glad that you're here. Strap yourself in for the ride. It's a bear explosion. So relax, you'll have a blast with us, settle in, but watch out, cause the jokes come thick and fast with us, that's what we're all about. It's time for you to laugh and to shout, it's time to let your inner bear out for the bear explosion. Can you hear that sound? It's a bear explosion, rocking through this town. There is nothing to fear, we're just glad that you're here. Just strap yourself in for the ride. Laugh along beside us, don't you try to fight us. No way you can hide us with a bear explosion. Can you hear that sound? It's a bear explosion around this town. It's a bear explosion, yeah. It's a bear explosion, yeah. It's a bear explosion, yeah. It's a bear explosion.
Bear Explosion Records presents the greatest bear band album ever. Featuring Take That.
Yeah, you and me, we sing in the background and sometimes dance around while I sing the lead. Well, I can't sing, but the guys think I'm hot. That's the talent I've got. I still sing the lead.
Bears
And we face to the side there, give you a wink, then look away. We didn't write these words, we stole them from someone, then sang them our own way.
back bears.
Tell me why we all act like we're best mates. Tell me why every one of them I've grown to hate. Tell me why it's really time that you should together. We should have never broke up. We'll make amends if we go on tour again. We have spent all our millions. Let's get our bank balance up. Forget our past and just go on tour again. Tour again. Raking it in. And we stand up to show we've reached the key change. We grab the air to show the angst we feel. We're so glad we'll never have a real job unless you count the cameo in Glee. You have made us the boy band that you see.
Bet you're fucked now.
Okay, I see. So, none of you want to talk to the crowd then, no? Okay. Hello, Manchester! I'm Seamus. I'm Andrew.
Andrew!
I'm Alan. And we are Bear Explosion.
Hello, I'm Steve.
Yeah, anyway. We are Bear Explosion.
Well, no we're not.
Oh, great, here we go. What? Yes, we are. We're Bear Explosion.
Technically, we're only part of Bear Explosion. There's a lot more people involved than just us.
Andrew, we can't start the show with, "Hi, we're 50% of Bear Explosion." I mean, what next? Good evening. We're the only members of Bear Explosion who could be arsed to turn up.
I'm just saying.
No. Look, anyway. We are Bear Explosion.
Only just, but we are. Take a breath.
I'm just saying, we're only part of Bear Explosion.
Your line next.
Anyway, some of the members of Bear Explosion thought it would be a good idea to get together and form a group.
Like a boy band.
No, we're not going to be a boy band.
Why not?
Because boy bands are crap.
What? So like, take that a crap?
Take that or man band.
Oh yeah. Ooh, I know, we could be a bear band.
Yeah, all right, Steve. Look, we can't be a boy band. We're far too old.
What?
And anyway, I mean, we're just not
Pretty.
sexy.
Oh, sorry.
Seamus, what are you on about? We're well sexy.
I was kidding.
Really?
Yeah.